Hello friends, myself Dr. Maddineni Srinivas and this is our today's dermatology MCQ. During your rounds in neonatal ward, you see a 2-week-old neonate with the following skin finding. It is a disorder of which of the following glands, and if you see the image, you are able to see vesicular fluid-filled lesions are present over the body. And so if you have diagnosed it as Miliaria Crystallina, you are absolutely right, and it is a disorder associated with Eccrine glands obstruction. And please be aware that miliaria is of three types: Miliaria crystallina, where the obstruction is going to be at the level of stratum corneum; Miliaria rubra, where the obstruction is going to be at the level of Malpighian layer, that is the junction of stratum spinosum and the stratum basal; and Miliaria profunda, where the blockage in the eccrine gland is going to be at dermoepidermal junction. So these are the three types of miliaria: crystallina, rubra and profunda. And as you can see, eccrine gland is going to open directly onto the skin surface, in contrast to the apocrine glands and sebaceous glands, which are going to open along with the hair follicle. Okay, so that's it in this video. I hope this was helpful. Please do hit that like button if it was helpful. Thank you so much. Happy learning dermatology. Sarvam Sri Krishna Sarvejana Sukhino Bhavantu.